southeastern Louisiana, southwestern Pike County in southern Mississippi, southeastern Mid-County in southern Mississippi, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Roseland, or near a meet, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kentwood, Tangipahoa, Osaka, and Roseland. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 55 in Louisiana between mile markers 51 and 66. Interstate 55 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 3. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: St. Helena and Tangipahoa, and Pike, Mississippi.
Get it on FM.
Warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: St. Helena and Tangipahoa, and Pike, Mississippi.